Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and if it's your first time here, I just want to say welcome. Since summer has arrived, I want to do another sunglasses unboxing from Randolph. If you guys like this pair of sunglasses or any pair of sunglasses from Randolph, be sure to use my link down below to purchase your Randolph sunglasses. I would really appreciate it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and don't skip the ads, alright? So these pair of sunglasses are called Thaden. I think they're a new style. These sunglasses are actually under the female category. However, Randolph makes a lot of unisex sunglasses like the Aviators or the Concords. They're under the men's style sunglasses. However, females can wear them as well. So Thaden is actually under the female sunglasses. We'll see if these are unisex and if guys can wear them or not. Let me know down below if you think I could rock these. So these are actually really special frame and lens color. These are the 22K Satin Chocolate Gold with Northern Light lens. I don't know what that means. I have no idea what it looks like. Let's take a look. This is a standard Randolph box. I've done plenty of unboxing before, so we're gonna skip the packaging and all that. Get right into the meaty stuff. Unbox it. Like you guys know, it comes with a card like this, gold foiling on top, as standard, usual. You get a microfiber bag. Whoa. It says Randolph, of course, as always. And then you get to the case. Let's go in the case. Let's see what this 22K Satin Chocolate Gold looks like, all right? Ooh, Northern Light lens. How does it look, guys? What do you guys think? This is also a gradient lens. So it kinda, as you tilt it up and down, it goes gradient. Whoa! These frames look super cool. 22K Satin Chocolate Gold. They're a brown, but it's also a matte brown with this goldish hue. I can't really describe it. It's really cool. Definitely loving these lens, how it's a gradient. Oh my gosh, super cool. Let me try these on face and you guys be the judge and tell me what you think. What do you guys think about these? I think these sunglasses and these frames look not bad. Like I said, they're under the female category. However, I think they're unisex and guys can wear them as well. I feel like they don't look that bad on my face. The Northern Light lenses look really cool, nice blue reflective. I'll give you guys a close-up. Chocolate, 22K Chocolate Gold. Wow. On the left temple, it just says Thaden S Chocolate Gold. And of course, on the top left corner, it says Randolph. And on the inside, it says P because it's a polarized lens. And these sunglasses have skull temples, which is not the bayonet that goes straight back. However, the skull ones go around your ear for a little bit more support. Definitely liking these lenses. Very lightweight, very clear. They do a shake test. Look at that. Doesn't fall off my face. Very nice grip to them. Wow. What do you guys think about these Thaden sunglasses? Do you think they're just for females only, or do you think guys can rock them as well? What do you guys think? I want to compare to the Atlantic Blue lens and the most famous Cobalt lens and kind of see what they look like. So let me put them side by side. So let me show you the different types of blue these lenses have. So these actually come in a few different styles, different frame colors, different lens colors. However, this one is a 22K Chocolate Gold with Northern Light gradient lens, all right? Definitely love the quality as usual. Like I said, it's heavy duty. These are not gonna easily break on you. The soldering joints has lifetime warranty, and there's a tune-up service. So if you've been wearing these sunglasses for a while, you're getting a little bit old, you pay $25, send your frames in, they're gonna clean them up and send them back to you. It's gonna look brand new. So these are some of the things I absolutely love about Randolph. Clarity of these are top notch. Definitely a nice summer style, you know, with these blue lenses. You rock them to the beach, dress them up, dress them down. Very versatile. That's gonna be it for this unboxing of the 22K Chocolate Gold Northern Light Thaden sunglasses. Very lightweight. Look at that, very lightweight. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're interested in any pair of Randolph sunglasses, be sure to use my link. I would really appreciate it. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.